The day of fire weather concern across portions of the Permian Basin, especially for our western counties as well. We have red flag warnings in effect. That will be until around 11 a.m. to about 8 p.m. That's when those winds should be able to slowly calm down. For those gusty winds alongside a lot of those dry fuels and some very warm temperatures, today is my warmest day into the forecast. So make sure you stay updated throughout much of the day and limit any outdoor burning or activities that could produce a spark. We're starting to see more of that wind shift coming in from the west. We got a west wind around 13 miles an hour this morning into Midland, still under some southwesterly flow in San Angelo, around 7 miles an hour, but we're gusting up to near 35 miles an hour this morning over into Pecos. We're currently around 68 degrees for you there, with around 59 in Monaghan, 60 over into Midland, 53 in San Angelo, and 57 over into Abilene. We're working with a few clouds out there. I think we'll see a little bit of clouds throughout much of the day, but it's not going to do much in the way to be able to stop that fire weather concern with that red flag warning in effect, including Midland and Odessa. We're talking those wind gusts upwards of 35, maybe even 45 miles an hour. Relative humidity values could be as low as 10%, especially where the critical fire weather concern is the level 2 out of 3 with our western eastern portions of the region into portions of the Contra Valley, San Angelo, and Ozona. We'll see those gusts just around 15 to 25 miles an hour today. We have an elevated fire weather concern where portions of the big country not anticipating too much of a fire weather concern today. I think those winds will peak between around 3 to about 5 p.m. across portions of Midland and Odessa. We'll see those winds sustained upwards of over 20 miles an hour at times, but those winds should be able to slowly ease off after sunset as we head into the later portions of tonight as well for our western counties, where those winds will also peak a bit calmer into portions of the big country. Those winds will slightly have an uptick tomorrow as we'll have a cold front that will come through, especially for portions of the Permian Basin. This will ultimately just bring a light breeze, even some moderate breezy conditions. I think we'll see those occasional gusts, especially for our western counties, up to 30 miles an hour as we head into tomorrow. This is around 12 p.m. and I think those winds should be able to ease off quite nicely as we head into around Thursday evening. So we'll go from around 89 to 78, but temperatures warm up rather quickly as we head in towards the weekend, but cool off into early next week. This is going to be due to our next little storm system that we are tracking. So high pressure is going to remain in control under that dry northwesterly flow aloft. We'll be able to see a storm system that will be able to sneak in, and depending on where the placement is, we could be able to see an opportunity of a few showers or storms as we head in towards the middle of the week. But overall, I do anticipate at least some cooler temperatures as well, even in addition to maybe that opportunity of some above normal precipitation as we head in towards the middle of next week. So at least for today, no precipitation in my forecast, which is going to be working with some rather breezy winds. I think we'll hit a high around 89 into Midland, 90 in Odessa with 82 in Fort Davis, 89 into Winters, 84 in Stanford, and I think we'll round up to around 91 in San Angelo. I'm cooling off tomorrow with that cold front that's going to come through, warm up rather quickly. I think this weekend, if you're a fan of the heat, it's going to be rather nice, but we'll begin to see some changes though as we head into early next week with some increasing clouds alongside maybe an opportunity of some showers for the middle of the week. We'll be right back after the break.